Hey guys, it's Clyde here. So today we will be talking about top 10 earthquake tips. Hope you enjoy. Tip number 1. Buy an emergency kit. Tip number 2. Practice earthquake drills. Tip number 3. Keep watching and leave a like. So, be prepared if you don't want to get smashed by earthquake and become a human sandwich. Bye guys, hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, leave a like and see you guys next time. Bye!